Logic Pro 12 is out, and that raises some interesting questions. Apple has added new session players, smarter chord tools, and deeper creative assistance. But how useful is it in real projects? Does it actually speed up songwriting, or just add more features you'll barely touch? And most importantly, who is this update really for? Let's take a look. Quick clarification: you don't need the new Creator Studio subscription for Logic Pro 12. You can still buy it outright, and there's no difference in features between the subscription and the full purchase. When people hear Logic Pro 12, they usually expect a massive overhaul. New interface, new workflow, everything rethought. That's not what this is. Logic Pro 12 looks and feels very familiar, but under the surface, Apple added a few features that might quietly change how a lot of producers actually work day to day. Let's break it down. First, Chord ID. One of the more interesting additions in Logic Pro 12 is something called Chord ID. At a basic level, it analyzes music and figures out the chord progression for you. Simply open the global chord track and load or record an audio file into your project. Drag the audio file onto the chord track and you're done. Logic automatically analyzes the audio and adds the detected chords to the track. From there, you can drag the chords as MIDI onto a new MIDI track and start building your arrangement. Second, new session player. Logic Pro 12 adds a new synth keyboard session player. This isn't separate players for pads or rhythms, they're styles inside the keyboard player. First, modulated pad. This style generates sustained synth chords with built-in movement and modulation. It follows your chord track, spreads voicings wide, and evolves naturally over time. Let's have a listen. With new envelope and LFO settings inside the session player, this is a great addition for EDM and modern pop producers. Second, rhythmic chords. This style turns the same keyboard player into a groove engine. It plays tempo-locked chord pulses, stabs, and repeating patterns that follow your harmony. Let's have a listen. Logic Pro 12 comes with a newly expanded sound library, and this is a bigger deal than it looks. Apple added new downloadable sound packs with modern loops, drum kits, synth presets, and instrument patches, all designed in-house and completely royalty-free. You can now preview every sound pack before downloading it, so you only install what you actually need. The sound library is also easier to manage. All packs live in one place, unused content can be deleted at any time, and the library continues to grow with future updates at no extra cost. For new producers, this is huge. You get a high-quality, constantly expanding sound library built directly into Logic Pro, with no subscriptions, no credits, and no switching between apps. You open Logic, find a sound, and start creating. For sure, there are many smaller updates and enhancements, but those three cover, in my opinion, the most interesting parts of the new update. If you want to learn more about Logic Pro 12, feel free to join my free music producer community on Skool, where you can access the latest Logic Pro course completely for free. And that's it for today. Stay curious and keep producing.